Guys, since I'm ordering a jack up command, the Q5 terminal 1 and 2 must need to be closed, but here it is still open. And also I'm going to measure the terminal output Q7. This is Q7 terminal 1 and 2 I have here. So there is no closing of contact, meaning this PLC have no output due to the no program inside made. It is supplied to us and the supplier said no need to program. But as I checked and installed, this is not working. I tried to check this also. This is a memory relay. KRU meaning memory relay up. KRD meaning memory relay down. So you can push it up and then memory relay down here, push like this. As you can see, terminal Q5 1 and 2 still no have close contact output, and then terminal 7 still open. As you would notice here, I have 701, that is for up. This is 701. This is for up command. And then here I have 704. That is for down command. So as you can see here, I just remove the terminal here. Going to my 701 here. This is for up command. And then the 704 is this one. See, I have here 704. So this side is for down command, and this side 801, 701, 711. 811 is for up command. What I did to operate our hatch cover, I just connected it together, 1, 2, 3, with power supply, going to my 335. Then I put here switch for me to be able to order a jack up command for my motor. So